What's up everybody, it's your boy here Abdurrahim back again with another video. Actually this is a graphics video, and today we're going to transform this kind of floral here. As you can see guys, this is a nice floral. I grabbed it on Unsplash. If you guys don't know Unsplash, stop what you're doing right now. Actually go definitely to unsplash.com and you can grab amazing photography. There are a lot of photographers there, share their stories, so you can just grab a certain picture and you can use it on your workflow. Now we can have this one, and shout out to the person who took this picture. And yeah, so let's get started. So here we have this kind of floral background, and we're going to transform it to be inside this text. As you can see, there's a text beneath this kind of floral. Now you'll ask yourself, is it a separate? No, actually it's not separate, it's only on the single background. But what we're going to do is we're going to use text type to remove the actual text type inside the background. So if you zoom in inside of here, you can see there's a floral here. Now the floral with the text type will be overlaying here, and we're going to remove it. Now it's quite simple. We need a high end actually size adjustable, so click C on your keyboard. That is for shortcut for crop. Then adjust it by just doing alt on the keyboard, definitely. So yeah, just hold it here, just adjust it till there, the way you just want it to be. Then after that, click check here, bit of line here guys. As you can see, there's a little bit of line. Now just adjust it by this way. Just use the rectangular marquee tool, then click J on the keyboard, then just shade it here a little bit, just minor. Then after that, it's going to be applying. Then after applying, you may get that kind of smooth kind of background. As you can see, it's a smooth right now. Now click here the same. You see there's a little bit of line here. Now be very careful whenever you're using this tool. So yeah, this is a spot healing tool, so just be careful. Sometimes whenever you're using it, you're enlarging it, it may take some background from this shape or your subject, and it can apply on the fix of a subject. So yeah, let us just press graphics. Let us just write graphics, no press. Yeah. So yeah, click here, then underneath here select a color which is a little bit vibrant. So yeah, don't select a type of color which is not actually vibrant. So after here we have our text type which is called graphics. Now we may align it here, and the other text, the other one, click here, then you can just put it somewhere here, so as you can bring some meaning that this is graphics. So yeah, so keep it somewhere here underneath here. So after that, then zoom in inside. Now the magic what is going to happen is that we're going to remove this text type. So we need to rasterize first of all the text type. Right click it, rasterize text type, and I'm a little bit faster. Guys, on this kind of background right now, we have actually made the text overlay inside the floral. Now it looks like it's a separate background, but this is not like actually a separate background. This is actually the same text type we used, but we erased the spacing of the text. Now it looks like it has been overlaid inside of it. So if you want to see another kind of magic, when I remove it, look how it's under. It looks like it's scary. It's Halloween. So happy Halloween to everybody, United States. Happy Halloween to you guys. And yeah, good thing is that we don't have a Halloween in our country. So it would be so crazy if we have Halloween in our country, because everybody will be scary. What am I talking about? Okay, then press Ctrl 0 to see the actual image. That's how our image looks like. Now I want to do something here. This one, we don't need it underneath here. We need to see that kind of floral in a good way. Now just we keep it, yeah, let us just adjust it here, and we just minimize it somewhere there. So yeah, Ctrl D for that, then boom, we're done with that. So as you can see guys, the main thing about this kind of floral, how it looks like, it's just that it looks and overlay the same kind of flow which we had it on the same image. Now you can zoom in and see the difference. Now the difference is the text type which we removed from the background from the text type, it's actually removed and it shows on the leaf. Now the leaf is gone. Actually not the leaf is gone, but the background of the text type, it's gone, so it's overlaying on the leaf. So this is how you can overlay a text type on the leaf. So thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, you know what to do, man. Like for real. And another kind of stuff I've never talked about this on my channel is I really thank you guys. We have hit like 1,700 subscribers, which is so great to my own aspect. Very nice of you guys, and I've been with you guys from a long journey. So I take this time to thank you guys and appreciate you guys. Without you guys, I could not open this channel. And from the day one, since you subscribe, you had a reason why you're subscribing to my channel, because you know that there's something which is quite uniqueness to me. And as you, as my subscribers, you really appreciate what I do. You check out my portfolios, you follow me on social media, you get those tutorials, and it can help out through your own kind of workflow and stuff like that. So I take this time to really appreciate you guys and thanking you. And another kind of stuff on the giveaway, still we didn't hear out from Prince Jerry, but I promised after 2 days. I've been a little bit tied up in the workflow and stuff like that, so I'm thinking soon I'm going to select the subscribers from the beginning of the selection. So it will be like selection from 50 subscribers, so out of it they may get the giveaway. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next video. Enjoy. Peace. Here we go.